Hello. As a grant writer and as a person who has been a part of many committees who have evaluated grant applications, I can confidently say that it is essential to start with why when writing a grant application. I'm Lauren Segadin and the co-founder of Stanadin. We are a company who provides community-oriented businesses with scalable resources that will help them successfully grow. We specialize in grant writing, strategic planning, and program and product development. I hosted several grant writing workshops recently, and to the dismay of many of the attendees, I stressed the importance of starting with why when grant writing. When you start with why, you identify a need in the community that you or your organization can fill with the skills and abilities that you have. However, a common approach nonprofits and charitable organizations take is to find an available grant and cater programming and services to meet grant requirements. It never seems to work well. The organization's vision and mission become distorted. The program is often poorly developed. The implementation is weak. Everything gets messy, mostly because no one thought through the process or if there was even a need for the program. I've been there. In my last position at the school board, I applied for a grant that would help students become entrepreneurs. At the time, my job was to run programming that supported high school students in various post-secondary pathways. Entrepreneurship seemed like a great idea. It's a potential post-secondary pathway, right? Except at the time, I knew nothing about entrepreneurship. I didn't know how to train students in launching a startup. I also didn't know if there was a need or interest in entrepreneurship in our student community. All I knew was that there was an opportunity, and I took it. We took whoever applied, and many dropped out along the way. We did not meet our expected outcomes. I luckily formed a partnership in the community who helped me plan and deliver the student training. I learned a lot along the way, but I did not have the skill set to be of much help. It turned out okay, but only okay. I was disappointed in myself. My academic training is in program implementation, and the program, from my perspective, was not implemented well. I should have known better. Had I stopped at the beginning and asked myself why I wanted to run the program, or asked myself if I had the skills and ability to run the program well, I would have either investigated the topic much more deeply or I would have stopped the process then and there. Either way, the program wouldn't have been launched. Starting with why would have steered me in the right direction. I learned the hard way, but I haven't made that mistake again. As you begin your grant writing process, I encourage you to work from the inside out. Start with why. Search for a grant that aligns with your community's needs and your organization's mission. It takes a little searching and perhaps a little patience, but it will work out. If you need support through this process, please reach out. We offer free 30-minute consultations. This could make all the difference in your grant writing success.